So this is the industry based basically notes. So these are the industries, their conditions, their challenges, and their importance. So hope you will like it. And this is the notes of chapter number 6, manufacturing, class 12. Sorry, not economics, social science. Okay, so all those subjects are included in the social science. So yeah, these are the notes. Sugar industry, then here iron and steel industry basically, then here is aluminium smelting and chemical industry. Okay, so chemical industry is made two types के chemicals होते हैं, organic and inorganic, you can see, and their features and all. Okay, so these are the fertilizer industry, then cement industry, then automobile industry, information technology, and electronic industry. So you can use these for learning. Okay, hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe, and do visit for more notes on my channel. So I made fabulous notes for you all, like these so all these videos are uploaded on my channel. Do visit it out once, and please like, share, subscribe.